Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make acai sorbet. Start by gathering 2 cups frozen acai puree, 1 banana, and 2 tablespoons sweetener. Freeze the banana slices for a firmer texture and chill your blender parts. Measure liquid sparingly to avoid slushy results. Blend in short bursts, scraping down sides to keep everything moving. Taste and adjust sweetness, then transfer to a container and refreeze briefly for serving. Gather your ingredients: 2 cups frozen acai puree, 1 frozen banana, 2 tablespoons sweetener, and 1/4 cup liquid like water or juice. Use plain liquid to keep tart acai bright, or a sweet juice for softer flavor. Measure first, then taste and adjust after blending, not before. Keeping components cold prevents melting and iciness. Prepare storage containers so you can pack the sorbet immediately after blending for best texture. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long kitchen shifts and smoothie spills. I find them comfy and reliable when prepping ingredients on cold mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, enjoy them. Now let's get back to the video. Start blending in short 10 to 15 second pulses to avoid overheating and melting your acai. Scrape down the sides between pulses so all frozen pieces get processed evenly into a creamy sorbet. Add 1/4 cup liquid only if the mixture stalls, keeping texture dense, not slushy. Once smooth, taste and tweak sweetness, then transfer to a shallow container and freeze for 20 to 30 minutes to firm up for easy scooping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.